Let me see. I would like to introduce myself. My name is Hana, and I am 9 years old. So, I live in a small, nice house with a garden in Dong Nai. Actually, I am a student in grade 4 at a big local primary school. I have long black hair and brown eyes. In fact, I like to wear casual clothes, usually jeans and a t-shirt. I really love playing the piano every day. So, I feel very happy with my life because I have many kind friends and a loving family.
Let's shadow the answers.
Let me see. I would like to introduce myself.
What do you want to do?
I would like to introduce myself today.
Can you introduce yourself?
Yes, I would like to introduce myself.
What are you doing now?
I am introducing myself right now.
Why do you say that?
Because I want to start speaking now.
Is it easy to introduce yourself?
Yes, it is very easy for me.
Do you like speaking about yourself?
Yes, I like talking about myself.
When do you introduce yourself?
I do it at the beginning.
My name is Hana, and I am 9 years old.
What is your name?
My name is Hana. Nice to meet you.
How old are you?
I am 9 years old now.
Can you tell me your name?
Yes, my name is Hana.
Are you 10 years old?
No, I am 9 years old.
Is Hana your real name?
Yes, it is my real name.
Do you like your name?
Yes, I really like my name.
Who are you?
I am Hana, a young student.
Where do you live?
I live in Dong Nai with my family.
Is your house big or small?
It is small, but very nice.
So, I live in a small, nice house with a garden in Dong Nai.
Do you have a garden?
Yes, I have a small garden.
Do you like your house?
Yes, I really like my house.
Is your house beautiful?
Yes, it is very nice and clean.
Who lives with you?
I live with my family members.
Is your house in the city?
No, it is in Dong Nai.
Actually, I am a student in grade 4 at a big local primary school.
I am a student in grade 4.
Which grade are you in?
I am in grade 4 now.
Where do you study?
I study at a local primary school.
Is your school big?
Yes, it is very big and nice.
Do you like your school?
Yes, I like my school very much.
Are you a teacher?
No, I am a young student.
Do you go to school every day?
Yes, I go to school every day.
I have long black hair and brown eyes.
What do you look like?
I have long black hair.
What color is your hair?
My hair is long and black.
What color are your eyes?
My eyes are brown and bright.
Is your hair short or long?
My hair is long and beautiful.
Do you have blue eyes?
No, I have brown eyes.
Are your eyes big?
Yes, my eyes are quite big.
Do you like your hair?
Yes, I really love my hair.
In fact, I like to wear casual clothes, usually jeans and a t-shirt.
What do you like to wear?
I like to wear casual clothes.
Do you wear dresses often?
No, I usually wear jeans.
What clothes do you wear?
I wear jeans and a t-shirt.
Do you like casual clothes?
Yes, they are very comfortable for me.
What is your favorite outfit?
My favorite is jeans and t-shirts.
Do you wear uniforms at home?
No, I wear casual clothes at home.
Are your clothes comfortable?
Yes, they are very comfortable to wear.
I really love playing the piano every day.
What do you like to do?
I love playing the piano every day.
Do you play the piano?
Yes, I play the piano every day.
How often do you play?
I play it every single day.
Do you like music?
Yes, I really love music a lot.
Is piano easy for you?
Yes, it is quite easy for me.
When do you play piano?
I play piano in the evening.
Do you practice a lot?
Yes, I practice every day at home.
So, I feel very happy with my life because I have many kind friends and a loving family.
Are you happy with your life?
Yes, I feel very happy now.
Why are you happy?
Because I have many kind friends.
Do you have good friends?
Yes, I have many kind friends.
Do you love your family?
Yes, I really love my family.
Is your family kind?
Yes, my family is very loving.
Do you feel sad sometimes?
No, I usually feel very happy.
What makes you happy?
My friends and family make me happy. Let me see. I would like to introduce myself. My name is Hana, and I am 9 years old. So I live in a small, nice house with a garden in Dong Nai. Actually, I am a student in grade 4 at a big local primary school. I have long black hair and brown eyes. In fact, I like to wear casual clothes, usually jeans and a t-shirt. I really love playing the piano every day, so I feel very happy with my life because I have many kind friends and a loving family.